It's Thursday, April 25th, right here at the open. I just bought NVDA at 793.22 and I just scaled out at 800. This is on the 1 minute chart, an aggressive play right out of the gates. A lot of stocks gapping down today, but that leaves you the potential for a move higher to start the session. And given that the stock kind of paused here or very early on in the 1 minute chart, I bought it here at the blue line. I just scaled out at 800 to kind of set up a no-risk trade. It lowers my break-even stop to, down to kind of near the lows of the day. If this whole thing fails, then I'll just break even. We could see the next target is this upper blue line, which is the pre-market highs. We'll see if it moves up there to take out liquidity. That's kind of where it's targeting at the moment. What's interesting on the 15-minute chart, which has about 4 minutes to go, if this can close green and follow through higher and then hold above this line here, we could be getting the broadening action back the other way. So what I like about the chart here is that, you had the red day yesterday, but it was just broadening action, higher highs, lower lows. Now we're making lower lows, and if this thing wants to start up again and get through the midpoint of this bar, we could be back to higher highs before it's over. So in the daily environment, all this day was yesterday was just broadening back to the downside relative to that previous bar, and clearly we're starting up to start the session here. So I want to see if this becomes kind of, if you spread out the 15-minute chart, could this become higher highs, lower lows, and now back to higher highs? And that's kind of a long way off, but I think 15-minute price action, now that we're taking out those pre-market high, we're up here taking out this. So this is the key inflection point. If we can kind of just hold here and follow through higher, then we have a chance of getting through the midpoint of this bar, getting a big outside day to the upside. We'll find out. Or you can just take base hit gains right in here. You're up over 10 points. So good trade on NVIDIA, no risk right now. I won't even let it, turn into a loss or a break-even trade. So let's see if we can follow through higher than there and where the 15-minute structure takes us this morning.